Greetings, Mark Brown here. We're going to be looking at how we can create a split form right in our database. Alright, the first thing we wanted to do is come right up here and we're going to click on the word create. Now when you click on the word create, you're going to come right inside that said form. Alright, you're going to come right down in that said more form. Click right at this little pointer. You notice right here. Notice the split form data sheet. So you're going to click right here on the form so far. If you notice right down here, up here, definitely I'm going to show you something right here. So if you notice this data up here, if I come like that, or I come back here, you notice you jump to the next data in the line, so definitely you can actually see what's going on there. You notice 5 there, you notice. Alright, let me go back up. You notice you jump up at 4, just the same way. You notice you jump at 3. So literally you can actually create this split form right here in the database. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.